Make a great choice today with the 2024 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, rear step bumper, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, rear sonar system, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, splash guards. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.